Hello everyone, this is Chris Burns from /Care and Android community. Today we're taking a look at is Google Keep. Now this is a new app as of today, and what we're going to look at here first is the fact that if you're working with Android 4.2 Jelly Bean or higher, you're able to add a lock screen widget. Now what you're seeing here is a really basic widget made for the app, and you'll see in a moment that it's based on notes. You take notes with it, you keep the information you want to keep, and work with it when you need to. Now we got here several notes here. And a little interface up on top. What we're going to do is we're going to get in here. We'll just go past our lock screen here and see that we have a similar widget on our regular home screen. There are two different kinds of widgets. There's this one where it has the notes as well as the little bar there. There's also the little bar. The bar can go as small as 3 little blocks like that. So what you're able to do here is you can start with any of the following. You can start with just making a regular note. If you tap like that, you have the regular title and the information from the note right there. You can change the color of the note to any one of the following. Does it really simply. We'll keep it white. You can also add a photo. So I can take a photo of my finger here. Once that's taken, you can go ahead and add it, and we add it to the top of the thing right there. You can add a bunch of photos if you wish. You can also take video and insert it. What else you can do here is you can add checkboxes. So you can add a little list of items. So you'll do item 1, done, and so forth. Once you're adding items here, you can check them like that, and they'll be checked off the list. Very simple. Now, you can also go ahead and archive notes once you've had them and you don't need them anymore. You can throw them down to your archive. And when you do throw them to the archive, you'll be brought back to your regular Google Keep app home screen here. The way you access those archive notes is to go over here to your menu, go to archive notes, and then you have them there. I have that one I just showed you, and I also have one quick note that's just that text. Now you can see there's several different sort of setups here. You can work with this 2-column deal right here, or you can go to a 1-column view. Doesn't make that much of a difference unless you want to get through a whole lot of them at once. If you're here and you see the colors, you can see the colors right here, orange and red and yellow and blue. You can also go straight to a checklist like so. You can go straight to a photo. And these are all the same sort of things I just showed you inside a single note. This right here is the microphone that brings you straight to voice dictation. If I tap that and I start talking, it'll start dictating for me. And if I stop, it'll just immediately work with it. Right there, pretty good. Now what it's also got here is a recording. This recording works so that if you want to have an extended sort of conversation, you can get it and record the audio as well as the text. Now if I want to add audio here, or if I want to add dictation, I can tap my little button down here. This is the standard Google Android dictation interface here. This does not record the audio, instead just putting it down as I say it. There you go. Back out. Once more, you can see that becomes a note instantly, and it becomes part of a larger interface here. This collection of notes is stored on your Google Drive. So if you have a Google Drive account, which is through your Gmail account, which is essentially all of your Google stuff is connected through your Gmail account or just your Google account if you want to call it that, you have a certain amount of space that you can put it on, but you know, it's with notes this small, you're not going to fill it up very quickly. So check it out. Google Keep out today.